your insurance company says you've been paying every month, uninsured motorist, we're going to head and cover you. Now, if you get the whole package, which people refer to as full coverage, comprehensive, all that good stuff, even if it's your fault, your insurance company will cover you. I rear-end someone, my fault, my insurance company covers me, no big deal. Insurance rate might go up, so make sure you don't hit anyone. That's pretty much it, right? Now, I know you're like,
okay, I get that, Mike. Everyone tells me that anyways. I don't give a shit because I want to just have enough so I can drive and no big deal, right?
now, let's look at the numbers. I know you guys see this big number that says 15,000 over 30,000. You're like, what the hell is that? Doesn't matter to me. I'll get the minimum because it's the cheapest, it's the easiest, and I get to save money. I get to buy another 36 pack at Costco of Bud Light or Coors Light and play beer pong, right? It's like 25 bucks or so. No, 15,000, we'll say 15. So 15 over 30, 15 means that $15,000, up to $15,000 will cover me in an auto accident. So my body would be covered up to $15,000 in medical coverage. My other passengers will also be covered up to $15,000, everyone in the car. Now the bottom number, the $30,000 encompasses everyone. So everyone inside the car will be covered up to $30,000 altogether. So I have two people in the car, me and my passenger here. $15,000 here for medical, $15,000 over there. It is maxed out. No more coverage after that. You're screwed, right? $15,000 goes like this. MRI costs about $4,000. Doctor's appointment costs a couple $100. If you need if you tear your ACL, it's going to cost $25,000, not including other procedures. Chiropractic treatment costs a few $100 every session, and you're effed. You're basically screwed at that point, right? So I'll tell you what my insurance policy is. I have $100,000 over $300,000. Super paranoid? No. Just cautious. I have things I don't want to lose. I have my wife to take care of. So if something were to happen, each of us will be covered up to $100,000 in medical coverage, along with $300,000 encompassing everyone in the car with me. So if I have 5 passengers, each of us will get up to $100,000, but cannot exceed $300,000 in coverage. Along with that, I have the comprehensive, the uninsured motorist, and also property damage. If you hit a light pole or something, it'll cover some of the property damage that I incurred or the other people did. Also, I have this medical thing where it's $2,000 for medical. It covers the initial cost of, say, if we need to be transported by the ambulance to the hospital, it'll be covered right away. So I go extreme, but I've always been extreme to the insurance policy because I used to work for insurance in an attorney's office, so I understand the risk. And we've been in a couple of accidents where it has not been our fault. Someone actually hit us. So we've been covered that way. So for you guys, you don't need to go to the extreme unless you can afford it. Please do, because it'll help you in the long run, because medical bills stack up real quick. And if you can't do that, go between the 15 and 100. Maybe go 25 over 50 or 50 over 100, which means, if you go 25 over 50, your medical treatments will cover up to $25,000 over the cost of $50,000 with everyone in the car. So meet in the middle. So hey, if you guys are not watching this video and you're blanking out on my rambling, just remember, you must in California have liability only, but you want to also get uninsured motorists. You must get uninsured in the comprehensive, so that it covers any sort of loss, right? And up your insurance policy from 15 over 30 to one notch up. I think one notch is going to be 25 over 50. So if you can't do anything higher, at least do 25 over 50, because $25,000 will cover you a couple of treatments and a couple other things. Because if you just fork over the extra 25, 30 bucks a month for that coverage, then you get healthy and you're able to go back to work. If you get hurt and you only have minimal coverage and you don't have enough to cover your body, then you might be losing a couple $1,000s a month because you can't work at all. So, it's super, super important that you listen and you take the advice of other people that have experienced the issue. And I've been in the industry where I understand the insurance and the attorney's aspects of it. So it's really important. I know this video may be a little bit overwhelming, a little confusing, but watch it a couple times, take a couple points. Maybe I'll put a few notes on the bottom so that way you guys understand it. But just remember, if someone hits you, takes off, who's going to take care of you? You want to make sure that you can take care of yourself. So in that case, you're going to have to get a policy that helps you too. But I hope that helped.